Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you some tools that we sell on our website at 1A Auto. These are wire insertion tools. Do you ever have to put a wiring harness through the fender well, down by the gas pedal? You have little grommets and you don't want to tear them. So these tools come in two different sizes. And they got a nice sharp spade to them, so they'll slide past into a rubber grommet, and then the hole goes all the way through so you can pass the wire through. Then pull the insert out. All depends on the size you need. So if you need this tool or any other tools, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.